Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Football Manager 26 gamepad or controller not working issue. So let's jump to the solution. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search for the best drivers and update your controller driver to the latest version, and after that restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. Next method is to enable and disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section, you have to select your game. Now after selecting the game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, then here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back and select disable Steam input and then check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next method is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working. So wherever you can see the play option, you will find an update option over here if any update is there. So simply you need to click on update option, just as you can see here, and after updating, then check if the controller is working or not. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search over here, search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates and it will check if any update is available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, check if the problem is fixed. Next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, and here you will see your controller is added. You have to click on three dot icon over here. Now click on remove device. So this will remove the controller from your device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again come here and click on add device. Now add your controller over here. Now after adding the controller, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to launch Steam in big picture mode. For that, go to Steam, and here you can see enter big picture mode option. Simply click on it. Now after that, you have to select the game and you have to click on it to play if it's playing or not. You simply need to click on play button. If it's playing, then you have to click on Steam option over here. Now click on power, then select and exit big picture mode. Now after this step, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, you have to search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or simply go through the link that I have provided in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After that, download and install the Windows DS4 Windows tool and then connect your controller and update it. So go to your browser. Now after the website opens, here you have to click on download option. This will take you to the next page, and here you have to select and download the DS4 Windows tool, and after downloading, install it, and after installing it, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch Football Manager 26 game and then check if controller gamepad is working or not. So these are few solutions to fix controller or gamepad not working on Football Manager 26 game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.